Oh, no, charcoal you got done. Just line up for now and just take your time. Look at them. Nice. And then you move the finger there now. And then you head back under. I guess we could tell you. And then you head back under again. Yeah, put this thing close to him. Go up so much still. Alright, this is getting better for you. Go so much closer to him still. Push this thing closer to him still. You could shoot for now, you know. So guys, welcome back to another episode of Food Proven. Today I'm here with Ranny. I am teaching him how to fish with a spear gun. He's not doing too bad, but so far he haven't caught anything. So we're gonna do a little fry just now, a few gobbies and I think some plantains, and that is pretty much gonna be it. So you guys are gonna see me shoot some gobbies a while from now, but that is doing his thing. So he's just trying to catch a goby or something. But so if you guys are visiting the channel for the first time, welcome. And to all of our subscribers, thank you guys very much for being a part of the channel. Huge shout out to Monica. I mean, Monica is a part of the family a while now, and she's always supporting. So Monica, thumbs up to you, and maybe today you can get to jump in the water like you wanted to at River 14. So this one is for you. Let's head under. So guys, check it out. He finally got a goby. I wasn't recording. I mean, I was busy killing the mosquitoes and he finally got one. Come on. gonna strike up the fire, fry up some gobies, fry up some plantains, and I got some bread. So he's gonna continue fish, and I'm gonna take care of the gobies and stuff. So let me just do that. We got the gobies, and it's pretty simple. So it's right behind the suction. You don't have to. Pretty much that's it. He's really trying hard. So far he got one goby. He got one. I got a few. So you guys can see they're already on, just steaming away. And we're gonna do some plantains. So it's pretty much gonna be fried plantains and gobies. So he pretty much learned how to use the spear gun today, and he got his first goby. I didn't get it on camera. I was busy catching mosquitoes when he got his first goby. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna get one soon. Started to rain, not a lot, but not what I want. So yeah, I'm gonna do something pretty sick today with these gobies. So what I'm doing is getting them almost cooked so I can remove the bones, and then we're gonna fry them with some oil, some coconut oil, which was sponsored by my brother. So Cameron, thanks for the coconut oil, bro. I mean, you said I would use it to fry stuff, and here we are. Well, we are not using it as yet, but oh my goby, that's just mean. So if you guys ever want to join the Prove It family on an outing like this, hit me up on TikTok, Instagram, and we can arrange something. I'll take you guys, no problem. Anywhere in St. Vincent that you have in mind, just hit the Prove It up and he would fully be available. So guys, I think the gobies are ready. We're gonna remove the gobies. Pretty much they're gonna sit there until I'm ready for them. We're gonna get this pot washed out. Got my coconut oil. I think that is gonna go a long way. And the gobies, plantains. I got some bread. We're gonna toast that after and enjoy some. Wonder if this oil is ready. Ooh, it's more than ready. It's frying. Oh my gosh. But a few plantains finished. Got a few more going. I gotta try and remove the bones from the goby. we're gonna get to that after the planting is finished, or maybe we can do it while the planting is doing its thing. So maybe I should do that right now. So I'm gonna try and remove the bones from the goby, get some, where did my seasoning go? Oh yeah, see if I can get some seasoning onto it, and it's gonna be bread, gobies, and planting. I wonder if you get anything as yet. He's trying really hard. He's not used to fishing. This is his first time actually fishing. He got one goby and that was pretty much it. Took him a while to get it though. Plantains, they're burning. Let's turn them. Ooh. So yeah. Oh, today is more like a caveman thing. So I'm really wondering how I'm gonna get these bones removed from the gobies. They're half cooked, so that should be a little bit easy. They're not seasoning as yet because I actually want to grind the meat like and pretty much make it like a chum looking something. I'm not sure. We're gonna figure it out. So we're pretty much gonna go boneless. I wish I can get this do like how I actually planned it. So pretty much we're gonna try and remove the meat from the bone. We got that side off, so that's good. If not, we're just gonna have to fry it with the bones, but it's working, so I'm not worried about that. So I guess this is what I'll be doing for the rest of the day. Removing bones from the gobies. So it's happening slow and steady, and the meat is pretty firm. That's the beauty about gobies. I gotta remove those plantains. I think they're burning. I'm not sure. Oh, we got a little bit of rain, I think. Okay, so that's plantains. Finish. So guess what? I'm not even gonna bother try to remove the bones. I'm just gonna fry it, and when I'm finished, I'll take out the bones. So we got some nice onion rings going. The rain pretty much spoiled it for me, so I'm gonna try to get out of here as soon as possible before the river decided to come down. Move up. Why? You gone? Nah. You not think so, man? Just slide on what, man? Alright. Yeah. Alright. I almost there final stage. Yo, this is the whole thing couldn't hold in. I just jump in the whole thing one time. And I can help with them. The whole thing still can't hold. I want it done. Good? Yeah. Just help out yourself.
This is planted?
Yeah. And your onion ring on them.
Restaurant.
Oh. And them pieces of fish they know them one there so. Them one they not get no bone in them so. Which them small pieces of fish where you see there. Them goby where you see there. Like them small, yeah, then they not get no bone so. I don't know if you want to put them in your thing and try them. I just want to try a piece right so.
What?
Oh, it tastes good? Yo. More do charcoal you got done. Charcoal you got done. I guess I start stacking up now. Every time I just flip out a piece there.
This is a custom thing for you?
I mean, like fish and...
Not eat one time.
How? I'm gonna tell you if coop there. Coop done a stack up long time, man. That is it. Give you one pan aside there too, man. Woo! Like you go burn up. Must you don't burn up? You don't burn up, man. Baby, in close. I don't feel all the time, but then I start feeling there. Well. Woo! Wow. So guys, check out my goby plantain sandwich. How it tastes?
Real thing, real thing.
Wow. So guys, I don't know how well you can hear us or hear me, but we're heading a little bit upstream. We just finished having lunch basically, so we're taking a little tour upstream, and you guys are pretty much gonna see what it's like. I mean, it's not much compared to down below, but it is looking pretty grassy. That's pretty much it. It's raining a little bit. Yes. So guys, we finished eating. We got a little leftovers. I'm gonna see if I can get some more gobbies, and honestly, they're not gonna go to waste. So I got my gun. I'm not gonna take you guys along, so this is pretty much goodbye for now until we're heading out. So I'm gonna see if I can get a few more gobbies, maybe a lobster, and we're gonna head home. So I really hope you guys enjoy today's episode of Do It Prove It, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to do so. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome, and remember, you guys can follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check that out if you're interested. Guys, we're gonna head out right now. Today was pretty awesome. We had a lot of fun, caught a lot of gobbies, and we enjoyed the meal. So I'll catch you guys in another episode of Do It Prove It, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel as yet, feel free to do so, and until then, I'll see you guys again.